Maximizing savings, the art of skimping and saving. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey through the English language, exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, skimping and saving. This is a common expression that holds great significance in financial wisdom and personal finance management. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply expanding your vocabulary, understanding these phrases will enrich your language skills and cultural knowledge. At its core, skimping and saving refers to the practice of reducing expenses and carefully managing one's resources to save money. Skimping means to spend less money on something than is necessary, often by cutting corners or opting for cheaper alternatives. Saving, on the other hand, is the act of putting money aside for future use, rather than spending it immediately. This phrase embodies a prudent approach to personal finance, highlighting the importance of budgeting and resource management. In times of economic uncertainty or personal financial goals, such as buying a home, funding education, or preparing for retirement, skimping and saving becomes a vital strategy. It's not just about cutting costs. It's about making smart financial decisions that pave the way for a secure future. Implementing skimping and saving in daily life can take many forms, from simple actions like limiting dining out to more significant decisions such as choosing a more affordable car or living space. The key is to prioritize needs over wants, set clear financial goals, and stick to a budget that allows for savings to grow over time. Additionally, investing in quality items that last longer can be a form of skimping in the long run, as it reduces the need for frequent replacements. Skimping and saving is more than just a phrase. It's a lifestyle choice that can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. By embracing this approach, you can make the most of your resources and achieve your financial goals. We hope this video has shed light on the significance of skimping and saving, and inspired you to adopt mindful spending and saving habits. Thank you for joining us, and remember, every penny saved is a step towards a secure financial future. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.